Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present a research article entitled An Ethical Leadership Style and Pro-Environmental Behavior, the Mediating Role of Moral Efficiency. The first I want to introduce myself. My name is Anjani Bandhira and my last student number is 184. Next, I want to explain this research. This article was written by Vanis Rike and Pabir Chandra Pedi and published in 2025 in the Gajah Media International Journal of Business. Okay, in the next slide, I want to explain about abstract summary. Based on the abstract, the study focuses on the relationship between ethical leadership, moral efficiency, and employees' pro-environmental behavior. The purpose of this research is to understand how leadership can encourage employees to behave in environmentally responsible ways within organizations. The results show that ethical leadership has a significant relationship with pro-environmental behavior and moral efficiency. In addition, moral efficiency plays a mediating role in the relationship between ethical leadership and employees' environmental behavior. Okay, in the next slide, about research objective. The main objective of this study is to examine whether ethical leadership influences employees' pro-environmental behavior. Another objective is to test whether moral efficiency mediates the relationship between ethical leadership and pro-environmental behavior. The research is important because it helps organizations understand how leadership style can encourage employees to adopt environmentally responsible behavior, which is increasingly important for sustainable business practices. The next slide, about methodology. This research used a quantitative research design. The data were collected using a survey questionnaire distributing to employees working in manufacturing organizations. The sample consisted of 420 employees from various manufacturing companies. To analyze the data, the researchers used structural equation modeling, or SEM, to test the relationship between ethical leadership, moral efficiency, and pro-environmental behavior. Okay, the next slide, about key findings. The results of the study show that ethical leadership has a significant influence on employees' pro-environmental behavior. In addition, ethical leadership also has a positive relationship with moral efficiency, which refers to employees' confidence in their ability to act according to moral principles. The study also finds that moral efficiency acts as a mediating variable between ethical leadership and pro-environmental behavior. These findings suggest that leaders who demonstrate ethical behavior encourage employees to care more about environmental sustainability. The next slide, about conclusion about the research. In conclusion, the study shows that ethical leadership plays an important role in promoting pro-environmental behavior among employees. Moral efficiency helps explain how ethical leadership can influence employees to behave in environmentally responsible ways. For future research, the author suggests examining other variables such as self-esteem, job involvement, and moral courage for further understand ethical leadership and environmental behavior in organizations. Okay, in the last slide, about personal reflection. From my perspective, this article is interesting because it highlights the importance of leadership in promoting environmental responsibility in organizations. It shows that leadership don't only influence employees' performance, but also their ethical and environmental behavior. This study is relevant because environmental sustainability has become an important issue for organizations around the world. Before I end this presentation, I would like to emphasize that ethical leadership can play a key role in encouraging employees to adopt pro-environmental behavior. By promoting ethical values and strengthening employees' moral efficiency, organizations can contribute to more sustainable and environmentally responsible practices. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.